What's up? We're the clan. And what we're gonna be doing today, we have these, like I guess Christmas. And yeah, we're gonna be doing some trick time. So we're gonna be doing scooter, dirt and sister bike tricks. Just that. So let's get on. But I will be jumping over my phone. So let's hit this. This race. Guys, give a huge shout out to Landway for using these ramps for our video. Just go, buy one. It's gonna help them out a lot. These the Landway ramps. Video. Me and Jakub, we really did enjoy this one. Like, we had fun, you know, jumping the ramp. Like, we had, like, lots of fun doing it. We had, like, the best of fun. It was extremely fun. Now you guys know what I see. It's insane, right? This is what it's like riding a dirt bike. Oh, I mean, it's electric. He's Razor. The Razor can go upside down, though. I think it. But guys, yeah, this is what it's like riding the dirt bike. Look at it. Oh, look at little Jakub back there. Look at little Jakub. Go Jakub! Go Jakub! Look at him, guys. Look at him. So guys, yeah, that's kind of what it's like for me and Jacob riding a dirt bike. If I'm screaming too loud, I'm sorry. There's Jakub. What's up, my guy? Guys, if I'm screaming too loud, I'm sorry. But I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we had a lot of fun making this video. It's really cool. This, riding our ramps on the dirt bikes, especially the clear part. That the second part that I did with the box in the middle, that we had like 100 tries on for me to clear it. For that one, my back tire touched it just a little bit. It was a little bit, bro. It was this big. It didn't that much. So, I mean, I kind of just wanted it to stay like that. I mean, it was a little bit. It looked like it cleared, but this kid's a monster, my guy. So, yeah. I mean, if you want us to make another video like this again, you could. We'll try different stuff like our bikes and our rollerblades. But yeah, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and see you guys later. Video Jakub is out. Yes.